the next pattern is all of you. The next pattern is what next pattern here? All of you remember now. First one, then 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 5 like this. Okay, all of you guys. This is the next pattern, guys. This is what here a next pattern. Okay. So for this one, I'm expecting the result from you guys. I'm expecting the result from you because till now we have seen so many programs, right? Almost 7 programs over, 7 patterns over. Now by this time, you must able to give the reply, guys. All of you. The same pattern only. Just I'm making the small changes, guys. Like this. Next one. This is not required. All of you. Just the previous program only. Just I'm making the small changes. Like this. No, that's all. All right. Okay. Yes. The same previous program only, guys. Right. This is what we're expecting, guys. This is the result I'm expecting. Right. So tell me now, when I value 1, all of you, when I value 1, when I value 1, J, how many times iterating? That is a point. When I value 1, J, how many times, guys? J also 1 time iterating. When I value 2, J, how many times iterating now? J iterating 2 times, guys. 2 times. When I value 3, now J iterating how many times now? J iterating 1, 2, 3 times. When I value 4, then J, how many times? 4 times, guys. When I value 5, then J, how many times iterating now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times, like this. All of right? Okay, means in this example, compared to previous one, this example is the J is a fixed number of iterations in the previous program. But here, J is not fixed number of iterations every time. It's keep on changing. The J iterations keep on changing only 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times. Okay. So for that one, let's make a program, guys. Now, let's make a program for this one. Right. So I'll open ideally. Yes. Right. This is the what's pattern number, guys? Here, pattern 8. Okay. All simple programs, guys. That's why just I'm trying to take the 1 or 2 more. Pattern 8. I think 8 one. Okay. Pattern 8. Yes. So, guys, tell me now. You try, guys. Here, you try now. You enter n number of rows. Enter n number of rows. This is always common. And I'll take here something n equal to try in range of, it is a fixed number, okay? It's fixed number, guys. The only thing is J is the change. J is the change. Now, what is the J? J starting is fixed, right? Starting is fixed and ending only keep on changing. Starting 1 is fixed, right? Always 1 is fixed. Ending here 2, here 3, here 4, here 5. Ending is keep on changing, guys. Ending is keep on changing. Okay. So I'm taking now, starting the J value only 1 time I want. If I take the only I, means when I value 1, then, so if you take the only 1, no iterations, right? No iterations, guys. But I want 1 iteration here. That means I'll take I plus 1. So I value first time what? 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 1 plus 1, 2. 1 comma 2 means what? Here iterates 1 time only. 1 time only, like that. I plus 1. I plus 1. So that's the first time, guys. Okay. Next, when I value 2, then 2 plus 1, how much here? 3. 1 comma 3 means result 1 2 guys. Okay, how much? 1 2. Okay, j trace 1 2 times guys. When I value 2, j how many times? 2 times. Next, when I value 3, then 3 plus 1, how much guys? 4. 1 to 4 means what will come? 1 to 3 will come. 1 to 3. 1 to 3 will come guys. When I value 3, 1 to 3 j. Next, when I value 4, here, okay, when I value 4, 4 plus 1, 5. 1 to 5 means what? 1 to 5 means 1, 2, 3, 4, right? 1, 2, 3, 4 guys, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. When I value 4, displays what? 1, 2, 3, 4, that's all. When I value 5, then in the same way, when I value 5, so what comes now? 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that's all. That's all guys. Okay, now and same what I want to display now, I want to display one j, right? First time 1, second time 1 2, third time 1 2 3, fourth time 1 2 3 4. So what displaying aina j na, only j displaying. Print j, j, and then end what is there, space must required. Once first loop over, first I value over, new line I am taking the empty print. I am giving what here? I am giving same. Let me take the same 10 guys. Like previous one is right. Like previous one is there. If you take the 10, then it comes like this 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. You can see guys. All of you. If you take the 5 means up to here output will come. 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like this. That's all. Very simple program guys. All of you. All of you guys, everybody's clear this one now? Right. So till now we have done how many patterns guys? We have done the 8 patterns. So 5 patterns on the star, and I think 7 5 patterns on the star, 3 patterns on number, and tomorrow we'll see some more numbering patterns guys.